which is the fabulous.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various food plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. If you have already checked out from this hotel, share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that